Hey y'all, Faraday's law says that if you take a magnet and you run it by some coils, that you'll get a voltage. And so the more coils you got and the faster you turn it, the more electricity you get. And so here's an example of Faraday's law, just using a magnet and making a voltage across this little voltmeter. We can then turn that into a situation where we spin a apparatus which gives us a voltage, and there we go, giving us a voltage here in our little setup here. And that's how all electricity is created, by the spinning stuff. And in this case, I'm burning this stuff called thermofire. And thermofire would be the fuel to run this little guy, which would turn to steam, and that compression would give us this little heat engine, and we could hook that heat engine up to this in the same way we do with coal. And so on the left-hand side, we start with the sun. The sun shines down on the earth and gives us photosynthesis. Photosynthesis makes biomass. That biomass gets covered up, and over eons can get turned into coal. 250 million years of compressed biomatter can turn into coal. This one here is not coal. It's thermofire, which is another derivative of fossil fuel. And then we can turn that in a steam heat engine into motion, and we can spin something. And that's how most of our electricity comes from. And inside of the turbine setup we have here, there is actually also a magnet and a coil. And the magnet and the coil spin by each other, and when they spin by each other, they cause induction of voltage. And right on back to Faraday's law, which says the faster we spin it and the more coils we have, the more electricity we get.